10, 20, 30, 40 job applications and you still get rejected as a data analyst. Have you ever wondered to ask yourself, why is this so? Or do you believe that it is your portion, or you believe that there are no data analyst jobs out there, especially remote jobs? If this is you need to watch this video from the beginning till the end. Let me tell you why you are being rejected even after updating your CV and your portfolio. After you send that application, either you get a silence, or after an interview, you will not hear from these recruiters again. Stay tuned. Let's dive into it. Have you ever asked yourself, what exactly am I selling? What is my selling point as a data analyst? People in different fields ask these questions, and people ask this question in different aspects of life. What exactly is my selling point? So have you asked yourself, what is your selling point as a data analyst? Is it your problem solving skills? And what exactly are you selling to these recruiters? Or do you just come every day to still tell them how you can handle data with Excel, SQL, and Python? Something you know that they've been hearing it a long time. When someone have a vacancy for a data analyst, you should know that that person will start hearing words like Excel, SQL, Python, and so on. So have you asked yourself, what is my selling point? And your selling point is what stands you out from every other application. I believe you've not done that. And have you ever wondered that this might be the reason you are yet to land that remote data analyst job that you've been wishing, aspiring, and wanting to land? So this is what you need to do. Go back there and ask yourself this question: what is my selling point? You can try to spice things up. You can look for soft skills. Do you know that having good communication is actually a very good skill that can sell you? Always focus on soft skills such as problem solving skills, storytelling skills, because there is one key thing that recruiters always ask in interviews. They will be like, after all this analysis, after all these findings, how do you communicate your results? How do you communicate your insights to people that are not in the tech industry? How do you communicate this to people in the marketing, sales, and even your CEO who doesn't know how to write one line of Python code? Then you can sell yourself through being a good storyteller who can communicate to people that are not even in IT, let alone data analytics. By the time you start selling yourself with different kind of skills rather than the known SQL, Python, Power BI, and the rest, trust me, you start standing out in your applications and in your interviews. Until I see you next time, my name is Chioma.